The next thing to know about CSS is that you could have multiple selectors. And so again, I'm just going to copy this one and let's close all. And we'll paste it up here and we'll do this 007. And let's say that I had here H1 and then H2, also color me baby. And then in main, we have H1 color blue, and that's linked right here, right? So now when I open this up, what color is H2 going to be? What color is H2? Black, right? Only coloring H1, that's it. So H2 is black. But I could come back to my code and I could say H1, comma, H2. Now it's blue also. So you could have multiple selectors. Okay, so one rule set could have multiple selectors.